Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? Hope you're hanging in there. It's Sunday, March 29th. Today's video is Simple Trick Doubles Commissions, How to Affiliate Marketing. So this is basically another trick for affiliate marketing to make sure that you're going to be getting the maximum commissions that you want to do. And I'm going to give you guys a super special bonus at the end, so make sure you stick around for what I'm going to train on. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button. And yes, my hair is getting crazy. My wife is threatening to cut my hair. She's like, and my hair grows like crazy fast. I'm losing a bit up here, but man, it grows so fast and it's very thick. So it's like this crazy, and it kind of goes crazy. That's why I keep it short. If not, it'll go to a certain length, and then it'll start curling, and it dreads really easy. It's kind of crazy here. I guess it's the Scottish, I think they had dreads. So anyway, so what is this simple trick? So I just wanted to talk about my experience with a program called Clickfunnels. I have actually been a Clickfunnels affiliate for a really long time. I bought his very first book, .com Secrets, when it came out, and I've been an affiliate for a long time, but I didn't really promote the program. I did kind of, but I didn't have very much success to it. I sent it to my list, and I bought a lot of the programs in it, almost everything in it, and I could never get people to really commit to it. So what I found is I had to go another route. So I'm actually going to give you two bonuses today. So one route to get people into ClickFunnels, because why is ClickFunnels such a great affiliate program? It's probably one of the best affiliate programs out there, because once people start using it, they're going to keep using it because it's such an awesome, innovative tool. It's got like 95% pro and very few cons. Like the cons don't really matter. One of the cons that I actually came up with, I didn't like, is that with a basic level, you only had 20 funnels. But there's a way around that, because you can just create sort of a generic funnel and then create pages in that. And if they're just landing pages, you can just make sort of landing pages, basically opt-in pages, and then send it on to an affiliate program, right? So you would do, so let's say you'd have content, right? So you'd go, and create some content, create a blog, or you're going to do a YouTube video like this. And it's like, hey, if you wanted to check out what I'm talking about, you'd click the link below, and then they would go to that one landing page within the funnel, but it's actually not connected in the funnel. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you need to take the 14-day trial and learn more about funnels. Because if you're going to do business online, guys, you need to have a sales funnel. You need to have ClickFunnels. Very few people do it without ClickFunnels. I know you can use Thrive. I do own Thrive. I tried Builderall. I didn't like it. Lead Pages. I also have something else called it's called Funnelizer in my MLSP, which is another amazing training platform that I promote. I promote that very passively through my Twitter accounts, and I love it. And that's really about attraction marketing. So I'm getting sidetracked here. So where was I? Sorry. It's been a long day. I'm housebound with my children, and I love them to death. But man, it can get tiring. Anyways, so what you want to make sure is that you're using a funnel. Okay, can you go tell Mom, because I'm doing my video, and shut the door, please? Thank you. See, this is what working from home is about. So anyway, so this simple trick that I'm going to teach you, I lost my train of thought, so I'll just go on to what I'm teaching you. So the thing is, and here's the mindset: people love bonuses. For some reason, I couldn't get signups because I wasn't offering bonuses. I didn't know that I had to offer bonuses, and I realize that now when I do affiliate programs, or like when I do a review, I put bonuses on it. You might find old reviews that I didn't, but now I put reviews on it. I was going to do the content. So when you to just to go back, if you have a single page within a funnel that's not connected in the funnel, you would send someone from the content to that page, you'd get their email, and then you would send them onto your offer. I do it for numerous things. I do it for a lot of ClickBank products, right? Like I'll do an ad on Bing. I'll send them to my ClickFunnels, that one page in ClickFunnels, capture their email, and then I'll send them back to the affiliate offer, right? Or I'll give them an option. I'm trying another thing where it's like they can just click through, or I offer them a lead magnet to get their email. So I'm like, you can click here to watch the video, or you can get this, you can download this thing directly to your email and then watch the video, whichever one you want to do. So it's just a kind of another step to put in there. And if they want to, if someone's going to give me their email to get this thing, I know that they want something. They're really looking to get something. So I'm thinking that's going to make them more of a buyer as opposed to just a looky-loo that's going to go through. Okay, so what's the simple trick? What is the simple trick? It's bonuses, guys. Giving away bonuses. And I want to give you a bonus for taking, I want you to take the 100-day funnel, what's it called? The One Funnel Away challenge. I did this. I've done it twice now. I have I should have brought the hard copy book in. It's amazing. This course is going to teach you how and why you need to use funnels and the philosophy behind funnels, and probably some of the best training. And why I want you to do it is because this is probably the most influential tool that you will the training within ClickFunnels that you're going to then go on to be able to use ClickFunnels for everything you do. And if you don't like ClickFunnels, oh well, you don't need to do it. But if you do it, here I'm going to show you what the sales page looks like here. So you're going to go, oops, come on. There we go. So you're going to basically go, am I on there? Yeah, I'm on there. Okay, so basically this is the page I'm going to send you to, right? You're going to go here and you're basically going to join this this challenge. It does cost $100, but it is so worth it. So worth it. You get daily live training. It is so good, guys. This is probably the best training you're going to get. But what's cool, and I think it's money back guarantee too. I'm pretty sure it's if you're not happy with it. I ordered this. I got the challenge kit with the book, the whole bit, because I wanted everything. But anyways, they walk you through step by step exactly how to do the One Funnel Away challenge. Right? You get the notebook. You do the whole challenge. They give you a bonus. They give you this little MP3 player that has all the lessons, all the challenge recordings on it, which is really cool. This is the one funny. So Russell, Julie, and Stephen Larsen are the people that do it. So anyways, I just want to get down to the bonuses that they're going to offer you, because I'm going to add bonuses to this, because this is why you want to do it through mine. And guys, I'm not giving away crap bonuses. I'm giving you about $3,000 worth of training. So you do this course for $100 and you're going to get 3,000. You're going to get, well, you're going to get all this. You're going to get 3,000 from them, but you're going to get 3,000 from me. So 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, right? You get the 30-day coaching from Stephen Larsen and Julie. You get the One Funnel Away challenge kit. You get the physical copy of the workbook. You get the MP3 player. You get the 30-day hardcover book, unlimited access to 30-day interviews, behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews. These guys, this is the gold. It's so cool to listen to these guys. 2 Comma means that they've made $1 million, right? This is what I'm saying. So it's $100. This is what you want. If you want the digital, this is the digital one, right? No shipping charges because they're not going to ship anything. The $20, guys. Click this and you get the actual physical stuff, right? Or if you just want to do digital, do this. It's just $100, but do the physical. I recommend it. It's worth it. Get the book. You want the book. Anyways, so you're going to get all that stuff, but I want to show you what I'm putting together right now. And let me see if I can find it here. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to give you, so these are my bonuses. I'm just putting this bonus page together for you that's going to be part of that funnel. So when you join it, what you're going to do is you're going to email me, and then I'm going to set you up, and I'll show you how it looks. Which one is it? So these are the courses that I'm going to be putting in there. I've got this whole page going, but these are the courses that you're going to be getting. So master sponsoring series, if you guys don't know who Ray Higdon is, this is an amazing course. It's a $300 course. It's the first course he ever created. This guy went from nothing in 2008 real estate crash to building a multi-million dollar MLM. He has a 4-module training series recorded during his reign as #1 income earner in his company. This is gold, guys. This is absolute gold. So that's one of the ones. That's one of the bonuses I'm going to give you. The other one is I'm giving this one here, the Profile Profits Playbook. So I need to scroll down. And sorry, guys, it's not made. We're having family dinner tonight, and I wanted to get this video done. But even if the page isn't up, I will honor these. I will make sure that you get these. The next one is I'm giving away is where is it? This one, the Profile Profits Playbook. So this is Katie Stage. This 5 money making tricks. This is another $300 course. This is 14 top earner tips and sign up more reps into your organization. So if you're doing network marketing, you're doing direct sales, anything, you need this. Again, I'm focusing these on really building a team, right? So if you and you can be an affiliate marketer building a team, guys. It's like you should be. Think about your when you join Clickfunnels and you're going to start building, you want to build a team in Clickfunnels, right? You want to be helping the people that you're getting signed up. Just like I want you to join me in Clickfunnels. Well, I want you to have all these tools that you are able to use. Okay, so that's the Profits Playbook we're doing. We're doing the 5-figure game plan, which is 5-figure 90-day game plan. This is Mark Harbert. If you don't know who he is, he's another genius attraction marketing guy. This guy is phenomenal. And all these guys do network marketing, guys. They do affiliate marketing, they do network marketing, and they sell their own courses. Again, this is a golden course. You get total access to this. It's a $300 value. And I'm going to give 2 more. I've got the top 5 social posts for success. So if you're doing any marketing on social media, right here. So this is Lisa Torres. It's funny. It's actually, I just got I got a text message from her today. What did she say? It was like, "Hey Glenn, just checking in to see how things are going. What have you been up to besides being quarantined?" Anyways, Lisa's training is awesome. She's an East Coast, like she gives it to you straight. I love her training. She's just like direct to the point. I've done a couple of her courses and she is freaking awesome. You need this course as well. And then the last one I'm doing is the Transition to Business Blueprint. This is Erin Birch, who is right in my neck of the woods. She lives on Vancouver Island. You're going to be getting this one. So this is a 5 steps. So this is actually turning your social media profile from a personal kind of thing, and you're going to be transitioning conversations into a business conversation like that, without feeling weird, without like doing like weird kind of stuff. So I want to give you guys these bonuses for taking the 100-day challenge. Now it's really important that you go through the 100-day challenge and do all the steps in it, right? And then you also, or the 30-day challenge, sorry. And then I want you to go through these, and you are welcome to reach out to me. I have a couple of Facebook groups that you're welcome to join, social media marketing and how to learn as you earn, or learn to earn. So you can join those. I'm always in those groups. I'm helping people out. I'm in those groups, like just basically helping everyone do their thing, and especially when you're doing courses like that. Now I know you guys, there's these other bonuses on the stack. What I'm doing is I have another bonus stack that I'm just going to be taking out what I want to do. If you see anything you really love in here, story selling to secrets, get your first 1,000 Insta followers, just let me know and I'll see if I can slide it into the bonus for you. Okay. But this is a good one. Sales and sign up conversions automation. That's freaking brilliant. All right. So that's what I have for you guys today. So what I want you to do is I want you to go through this funnel challenge, right? And what you're going to learn is not, you're going to learn everything there is to know about sales funnels, the different types of sales funnel, and the training. And it's going to force you to do this. And guys, you're quarantined or you're doing isolation. It's the best time to be doing it. And then I want you to go through any of the courses that I'm going to give you as bonuses at your leisure. But what I want you to do is I want you to start thinking about what are you when you start promoting ClickFunnels, right? And I want you to think about what are you going to use as your bonus stack. What are you going to give away as bonuses? And I'm here to shoot ideas off of. If you have some, maybe you bought some white label affiliate programs, those are always good. Also PLR stuff. I'll put a link to the PLR stuff that I use. I've used tons of PLR stuff below. I've given away so many different types of PDF bonuses in my traffic exchange days, my mailer exchange, all that kind of stuff. I was always giving away PDFs and stuff like that. But I was just lazy. Let's be honest. I was just lazy about doing bonuses. I don't know why. I can build a funnel page, but for some reason, building the bonus page, I guess for me, I want the core program, and bonuses don't excite me that much. But that's just my mindset, right? But I know that people are willing to make the commitment if there is a bonus, and that's why I need to do this and get this bonus to you guys. So A, it's going to get you into the program, and B, it's going to help you be successful much faster. Like that, the raise program alone is so good, guys. It's so good because he literally shows you how to fold time, right? You start here and you want to be here. He shows you the steps to fold that, to get from here to there way faster. And just that alone is worth the value of doing this. But like the whole package, guys, this is what you want to be doing. So here's the instructions. You're going to go down, you're going to join the 30-day challenge. You can get signed up, right? And then you're going to email me. You can all my contact information is right on my YouTube. You're going to email me. I will see you in the back office that you've joined a challenge. And you're fine. And I'll see, like, in my back office of ClickFunnels, I'll see that you've joined and you've joined the challenge under me. And then I will hand over these bonuses to you, and we'll get you set up, because I have a little membership area where you will have all these bonuses. It will look just like, let me get into there. So your area, see, it's Glenmurray FNA. So this is what you will get access to this, and then all your courses will be right in here. This is just my demo account for it. So basically, this is where you're going to find all the courses and all the trainings, all online. And so you'll get this. You'll see when I give you your access, you'll have this exact thing. Plus, you'll be doing the 30-day challenge on your ClickFunnels account. That's where you'll be getting that stuff. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Make sure that you take advantage of this offer, definitely, and let's get you started. Now, why there's a couple other things why I want you to get into ClickFunnels, because there's some other really great programs that uses ClickFunnels as kind of the engine behind the affiliate program. And I recommend using those, and that's another way to get people to join you in ClickFunnels, join your team in ClickFunnels. But I've been promoting those, and people are joining that kind of thing. But I really want you to understand why you need ClickFunnels, and that's why I made this a big bonus thing. So I will get the page done. I don't know if I've got to do family dinner tonight, so probably worst case scenario, the page will be done tomorrow. But if you join tonight and you want to get started, you just have to message me, and I will get you access to that. The membership area is all set up. It's just the bonus page has not been set up yet. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe. I'm totally I'm cheering for you guys. You can be successful. Let's fold some time, like Ray Higdon says, and let's get you some really solid, good training. This isn't crap training. This is like the real thing that's going to help you take your business to the next level while we're in this crazy time. Especially if you're in the US, guys. I don't know what's happening down there, man. In Canada here, it seems like we kind of, I don't know if we've turned the corner, but at least we're seeing that the transmission rate is really slowing down. Like we have to in our province. We were at about 17%, or 24%. We're down to 17 or 8. I don't know what the numbers are, but we've done really well because we're taking it serious here. We're doing social distancing. We want this to end. I want my kids outside playing with other kids. Like I really want that to happen now, and we need to just do our part. All right, guys. Cheers. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.